Hey, what's up, fellas? This video is for Ben in Nigeria. I'm doing work for two different Bens right now. So, not to get everyone confused, but what we have right here is a wind-resistant burner that's going to be going inside of a heat exchange that has about 10 horsepower worth of air blowing through it. To simulate the effects of the environment this thing's going to be put in, we are going to do a little test. This is the burner. This is a 1/8 inch thick Baby Godzilla burner with a bit of a cowling around it, and we're gonna see how this thing does in some extremely high winds. This is a very powerful blower. This is a little over half a horsepower, but very powerful nonetheless. Let's check this out. Okay, Ben, I don't have any way of showing you how powerful this blower is at the moment, but I assure you it is an extremely powerful blower. The most powerful one I own. And as we can see, there's literally nothing I could do to blow this torch out. So, indeed, we've passed the test. I would be willing to say that we don't even need the cowling, but as an extra added benefit, it has been put in place, and I'm going to be drafting up some designs for how you guys should connect this to your heat exchange. I think we should put a steel wall. Matter of fact, how about we step on over to the board here, fellas, and see. Now you've got your, sent me a picture of what you had there. We've got like a little angular area. Okay. Give me a second here, and we've got our two draft ports. Okay, draft port here, draft port here. Okay, I recommend what we do, guys, is take a wall and take a piece of steel and place it over the front of this if you got like just a piece of corrugated steel or sheet metal. And I think we should have the flame blow in directly at this wall here. We're going to probably want to put a steel heat shield at the back of the wall here. We could cut a hole in this front steel, place the burner like this, so that there's still plenty of place for the air to come in around the burner. That way the air comes in, it hits this firewall. Like if I were to give you a top view of what we have. Sorry, I don't like getting my stupid tattoo in the shot. I did that when I was like 15 years old, guys. Don't hold that against me. I was quite the wild child. So we have our hole in the steel here. Maybe this is the burner sitting on a little tray that we've set up. Here's a little wire cowling on it. And we've got our fire coming in this way. Here, let's do it right. So here's the fire. And it would come in and hit our heat shield here. You might just be able to let it blast up against that rock. I would not do that, but I have seen a lot of refractory walls that can totally handle that. So our fire would come in here and hit and would be sucked into the ducts this way. I don't recommend just sitting it there. I think we should totally make this a wall right here with just a piece of sheet metal, just anything leaned up against there. So I hope that crappy diagram sheds some light on what I'm stepping in. And let me know what you guys think. Guys, this is just some GoPro footage of the entire experiment. Feel free to skip on through this if you don't want to see it. Nothing really in particular happens.